Alright, welcome back. Today is the second attempt at installing these RX8 injectors. Actually, it's not going to be an attempt. We're going to get this in because I'm tired of dealing with it. So I think we figured the issue out. Good old eBay, ordered some proper seals for it. These are proper RX8 seals. And as you can see, we already got one mocked up there. It went on like it should, and hopefully these don't leak. Hopefully. I mean, we already kind of did half the installation video, so we're just going to go ahead and, you know, throw these in real quick. Let's do it. Just for reference, these are the, if I can read it, 955004460 injectors. That number right there. Let's get her done. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 3.5. Step 4. It's already loose. That's not good. Step 5. Step 6. I just dropped it. Get out, darn it. Step 6.5. I don't know how I haven't broken this PCV valve yet. Step numero 7. Step numero 7.5, if it focuses. Step 8. Oh yeah, I broke the clips on not one. I broke all the clips on all the fuel injectors. Don't do that. Don't do what I do. We're gonna make sure this black spacer does not fall because it creates another pita to deal with. Okay, that was technically step 8.5 or 8 3/4, but we're pretty much ready to pull the rail now. Have a little bit of trouble here. Oh god, it's going everywhere. Oh Jesus. Okay, we're good. There we go. This is like the 4th time pulling them, but they're out. Alright, so here's the old injectors. Just gonna go ahead and pop all of them out real quick, like we did the first time. Yeah, let me, oh, that is not good. Hold up, 1 sec. Yeah guys, pro tip, empty the gasoline out of your fuel rail before you put it on a nice table. It's not really that nice, it's just, never mind. So we're going to go ahead and test fit the first injector, make sure it goes in as it should. Looks like it's pretty close. Looks like it should fit just fine. Obviously the RX8 injector is a lot thinner than the stock one, but the main thing that matters is the length of it. The new injectors are on. I wasn't really sure what order all the O-rings slash seals slash whatever you want to call them go in. So what I actually did, I just went onto the eBay listing that I bought it from and just looked at the picture. I basically just went off this picture as a diagram. So I translated what that injector has over to ours. This one's a little bit kind of limp dick, but yeah. All right, let's go ahead and reverse what we just did and put them back in. Then we'll get to the tuning part, which is always fun. I love that part. It's less gas and oil, and I don't know if this is sweat or tears. Injectors are in. They definitely look like they're in the correct way this time. So we're gonna go ahead and reassemble everything and I'll see you guys inside the car. We have Tuner Studio open right now with the tune up. We're gonna go ahead and change the basic settings with the new injectors, and it should be connecting. I don't know why it's not. We're gonna come to basic load settings and then engine and sequential settings. And right down here, you have a little field to enter your CC. Basically the size of the injector. And as you can see, we were running 230s and now we're running 528s. Pretty big difference. So all we're doing is changing that value, and we're gonna come up here, click on required fuel, and make sure this is all good. It is, hit OK. And what it does is it recalculates for our VE table. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit burn. Still don't know if it's connected or not. Key wasn't on, that would help. You know, click burn. Okay, so with that put in there, we should in theory be able to at least start it up and let it idle. And we will see how well it idles. I'm betting it won't be too great because we need to tinker with the injector dead time, but first just gonna start it up and we're just gonna send it, honestly. Just gonna send it. Moment of truth. Here we go, boys. And she idles. We're gonna change that injector dead time value. We're gonna change it to like from a 1.3 to a 0.8. So we'll see what that does. A little bit better. There we go, guys, it's running. That's awesome. Let's make sure there's no leaks on top. I think we're good, no leaks at all. All right, maiden voyage with the RX8 injectors. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit. We got auto tune running right now, but it's really not gonna make much of a difference because it's really tricky tuning cold starts. I'm not even gonna bother with it right now. So mainly just concerned about getting it running right when it's up to operating temp. So we're gonna go ahead, drive a little bit at low speeds and let the coolant temps get up there. So I noticed as we're driving, the car's pretty much warmed up now. Our intake air temperature has been sitting at like 104, 105. All right, do a quick pull, little pull. All right, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in a few days. Drop a comment below. All right, peace, guys. Later.